This life is not a journey to the grave with the intention of arriving safely and well. It is to skid in broadside, in a cloud of smoke, thoroughly used up, totally worn out, proclaiming, "Wow, what a ride." It is the greatest journey you'll ever be on. At the end, you'll look back and realize that there is no ultimate purpose. There is no end goal. That life is a continuous dance where you do not arrive at a particular place on the floor, but to enjoy every step of the way. The world is a looking glass. It gives back to every man a true reflection of his own thoughts. We live in a world created by our own thoughts. This reality is our illusion. There is no reality, but a reality created within ourselves. If we want to change our experience, we need to change the world. If we want to change the world, it starts with changing of our own minds. This universe is a masterpiece of abundance, and we are the designers, the artists. Rule your mind, or it will rule you. There's no point living for the future if you do not know how to live now. This moment is all you truly have, because happiness is not a destination, but a way of life. It is not at another place, but this place. It is not for another hour, but this hour. The power for creating a better future is contained in the present moment. You create a good future by creating a good present. So do not worry, do not complain. Accept things as they are, let things go. Make the present moment the focus of your life.
And other people have remembered, and they come back to us and they say, "Hey, don't worry, don't be afraid, ever, because this is just a ride."
Don't let your mind take control. Think simply, live simply. There is nothing in this world that can trouble you as much as your own thoughts. Overthinking is a misuse of your imagination. It will create problems that weren't even there. Do not worry, do not stress. And lastly, remember that life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. No one said it's going to be easy. Trust in the universe and surrender to it. Let it go. This journey is yours and yours alone. Have faith in the universe.